and foremost, if you ask me for the first time, the rule one of Ono. The man will sabi. But may I let you know some kind of things. When you approach woman, if now 1 year take green, you will take her out, close the woman for shopping, they buy her things, they let her know say they carry, you they do things, they do things. You can't go marry the woman, now you go spend money. Everything now you go spend money. But when the woman come home, they call the great the king. Who they collect the money? Now the woman. If not the woman, we open our eye. We be mugu before. And now we first show. The woman, it's a show. Chop make the zero. And you don't see that thing where they understand this thing will make sense. You just be like, imagine me now. As I just the party that day on Saturday, I just the party of our lovely sister, Rachel. And brother Itwa, K honorable. I just do big there. That's why I love myself. You don't laugh. It not gonna make sense now. Women on do well to open our eye. You understand? And vice versa. We open our eye, but we get fish brain. I bet you don't let you look me. Our brother. He said our mother, this is our mother who died, so when I want to talk about so, when they looking for screen, you don't see the woman, he they dance, you don't know say he will die now. You don't see him. I beg, if as you did this Europe, they put your mother for salary, your parents for salary. As you they collect, make sure they do something, they go give them, they go house. Because once you don't go, you don't get duplicate. Even though the mama, you don't get anything, you try. If you buy your wife car, buy your mother one. If you don't hold, tell them that they drive on. Give her a driver. The thing will make sense. Mama. If you lose her, now you will know. You'll be like me so. I don't feel so can't you see they happen to me? No, they happened before. You see the way it be. Make I better relate. I'm one you. Person born, they will drink. Person die, they will drink. Everything I drink. If fact, I don't know whether they drink they make that. I don't understand. But whether they listen. Yeah, one you. About top there. This is our lovely brother. Wait till me I come bring this thing out. Make I let the people know. Say it will sick there. They sick there for mine. He said when they walk follow. This is our mommy where they dance so. When they walk follow him. Say that mommy is so very nice woman. Say take good care of him. Say very nice woman. Say their family very nice. It's not from out cheap people. What? Listen to the name. May I let you know? Make I let you know because the burial ceremony don't they close. On the 13th will be on Tuesday for this month. So they'll gather for their house. Where the place they so. At 2 hours for College Road for that old for College Road. Nobody know one. Close to Ano streets there. Now they do the shell. But on the 16th, they go carry mama come out. Does he carry and go in your papa house for a resident? First go use and shake there before they go finally bury and come. Now that day they make burial. We be everybody will present. Maybe me. And this one they put for we have one flag for screen so now see the reader make now the follow on. This is why my mama makes sense. Our lovely brother here, let's say brother Osagi, Mr. Brother Osagi. I put brother Jonah, I put Mr. Jonah because the guy too much. He regard me well. Said you look on you too much. Do this thing for me, I beg. Make them view until then, so that this burial, it will go smoothly. Now I put hand for paper when I tell the broadcast this thing so. For this my Ogbonge program. Mama, may you rest in peace. All your son and daughter, grand one, all of them say they love you. Ew, when I listen to the name, Chief Mrs. Teresa Lady Kadena. Now from how she they for come. You see also when I watch mommy the dance. Oh, mama. Oh, the body here. Nobody know do the kick buckets. I beg, if you get money, make you eat for yourself. But the motto where you they save, where you they make room. Now burial day they use and jarry the leg, all of them will break. You see that thing, no matter everything you get for this earth, they only cannot follow body. The one we eat for belly, and baby, I want you, man, will forget my job. No matter what you get for this earth, they only cannot follow you when you don't come out. But on the 16th, we're going to join and celebrate. So our mother, better ceremony when they come up soon. From on Tuesday, don't boss. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC. And you do so.
Loved it.